Hey guys, it's Chris with Surface Solutions. Today we're going to talk about a question I get from many of our paving customers, and that is, should I backfill my edges? There's two different answers to the question, and it really depends on what you're looking to do. If you're just looking for the aesthetic look to get the grass back to the edges of the driveway, then you would backfill the edges with topsoil, plant grass seed, and that grass will slowly start to approach towards the driveway. You just need to make sure that you consistently keep up with trimming those edges back in order to prevent wiregrass and things of that nature from growing into the edges of the driveway. If you're just looking for something where you can build a ramp so you can drive off and onto the driveway, you'd want to use something like Crush and Run or CR6 that would create a solid ramp. That way you don't crush the edges of the driveway too soon. Long term, it is still a possibility that those edges could crush. If you have any more questions on that topic or any questions on any other topic, feel free to reach out to us in the office at 410-749-5630 or visit us on the web at fixmydrive.com. See you guys soon.